In this video, I will show you how to replace the electric water pump on a 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius. Step number 1. Park the vehicle on a level surface, engage the emergency brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Lift the front of the vehicle using a floor jack and place jack stands under the chassis for safety. 3. Open the engine compartment. Wait for the engine to cool down and remove the coolant reservoir cap by turning the cap in counterclockwise motion. 4. Place a drain pan under the vehicle to collect the coolant and turn the radiator drain valve located at the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side counterclockwise by hand. Once the coolant has drained, close the drain valve by turning it clockwise, ensuring it is tightened securely. 5. Remove the upper engine cover by pulling it upwards with your hands. 6. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the mass airflow sensor by pressing inward on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling downwards with your hand to completely disconnect it. Loosen the clamp connecting the air filter box to the duct using a ratchet and a 10mm socket or a Phillips head screwdriver. 7. Release the retaining clips on the air filter box cover by pulling the clips outwards with your hand. Once released, remove the cover by simply pulling it outwards with your hands. 8. Remove the air filter by simply pulling it upwards with your hands and set it aside. 9. Remove the screws holding the air intake using a ratchet and a 10mm socket as shown on the screen. 10. Release the hose attached to the air filter duct and housing by simply pulling it upwards with your hands at the anchor points. 11. Remove the air intake duct by simply pulling it upwards with your hands as shown on the screen. 12. Disconnect the electrical cable from the electric water pump by pressing inward on the connector's locking tab and simultaneously pulling the connector outward with your hand as shown on the screen. 13. Loosen and remove the bolts holding the damaged electric water pump using a ratchet, a short extension, and a 12mm socket. Note, place the bolts on the new pump partially in the same order and original position, as the length of the screws varies depending on their location. This will make it easier to remember their location during the installation described later in the video. 14. Once the bolts have been removed, proceed to remove the damaged water pump by simply pulling it outwards with your hands. 15. Thoroughly clean the surface where the water pump sits with using a clean towel. 16. Install the new water pump in its original position, ensuring that the gasket is seated correctly. Install the bolts in their original position according to their corresponding length and tighten them in 2 stages. Initially, tighten them only until snug, alternating in a crisscross pattern between them so that the gasket seals correctly. On the second stage, tighten them according to the specifications described in the owner's manual. 17. Install the new water pump's electrical cables in their original position, ensuring that the connector is properly seated. 18. Install the remaining components in their original positions in the reverse order in which they were removed, ensuring that the bolts are tightened firmly and that the electrical connections are properly connected. 19. Check and ensure that the radiator drain plug or valve is tightened securely. 20. Fill the coolant reservoir, slowly allowing the air to escape in the form of bubbles through the reservoir. Once no more air is visible coming out of the system, fill the reservoir to the correct level marked on the side of the reservoir as shown on the screen, then install the reservoir cap. 21. Start the vehicle's engine and observe that the engine temperature does not exceed the normal operating range. Check for leaks, and if everything is working correctly, lower the vehicle to the ground. Turn the engine off and wait for the engine temperature to drop again. Check that the coolant level in the reservoir is correct and add more coolant if necessary. That's how simple it is to replace the electric water pump in 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius.